Magandang araw guys! Ngayon ay Sabado, walang pasok, maganda ang tulog namin, mahaba, hindi ako nag-alarm. Ngunit nag-alarm kasi walang pasok at saka hindi ako mag-worry. Walang pasok, naka-break ako, nakasarap ng tulog, sarap ng tulog namin, mahaba ang tulog namin. So masaya. So ngayon, ang aming family time.
You want to drink all the milk? You want to drink all the milk?
Nicole, don't eat these on her. This is for training. Training her how to eat out of the bowl. You got those, keep those. She's learning how to eat. These are nice and big. She can scoop them up easy. See?
Like organic. No organic.
No, we want organic. That's what we want. They get
I don't like organic for the baby because these are on sale. I don't want them to be on sale.
You need them organic. On sale means it's cheaper, buddy. You ain't gonna be paying as much money for them.
So many money for them. So many money for them. So many money for them.
Put in the trash can and put it in the sink.
Watch it. Good job, honey.
Good job! Big girl ang bata eh. Put in the basket, please. Sophia, there's more. Put in the basket, please. Agoy. Put in the basket, please, Sophia. Mag-contest na. Na-late na ta. Good job. Alright. Put in the basket, please. Sophia, put in the basket. Agoy. Nakapag na siya. Na-late na tada. Okay, put in the basket, please. Uh-oh. Put in the basket, anak. Sophia, put in the basket, please. Sophia, Kaylee, put in the basket. Sophia, put in the basket. Put in the basket. Put in the basket. Sophia, put in the basket. Thank you. Put in the basket. There you go. Put in the basket, please. Thank you, Sophia. What? Oh, there's more. There you go. Thank you, baby. Close it. Yeah. Very good ano itong anak eh. Thank you, baby. Very good man na itong baby eh. Nag-help man ka mama ang baby, nag-help. No, very good ang baby helping mommy. Yeah? Where you gonna put it? Oh, good. Tatabi na niya. Huh? There? In brother's room? Wow. Sus, that's right. Sus, ka very good na itong anak. Awesome. Oh, in the other room, anak. Over there. Brother's room. I'm gonna turn on the light. There you go. Hello. There you go. Sus na, nadyo ko'y helper in town. Thank you, Sophia, Kaylee. Thank you.
Mama, this is a moon flag, Mama.
Yes.
With diamonds.
Sophia, Kaylee.
Where diamond is.
Tapat.
No, Mama. What is this? America, Mama. America.
America.
Black, yellow, or white, light brown, light gray.
It is like that, Mama. Bip, bip, dip, dip.
What is that? It's the ornament, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Ornament?
Very good, honey. And the beads. Beads, it's like a bracelet. Beads. That's the snowflake. That's another ornament.
The beads, baby, is from Michael.
Michael? Yeah.
He made it from school for me. Mother's.
Really?
From mother.
Nice.
It's from art.
That Dion 2023 from church. Then the snowflakes from school. Butterflies, Sophia. A lot of butterflies on the wall.
Mama, the butterflies
And there's owl.
are flying. The butterflies are flying.
Butterflies are flying.
Mama, there's one wearing it. It's doing fun with wings.
Butterfly.
There's flying, Mama. I like that over there, up there, Mama, the butterfly. I like that up
Flower.
there, the butterfly. It's so cute.
So cute.
Our butterflies are so cute too, Mama. It's like my
Let's say
old
something. I don't know what
butterfly.
it is.
My old butterfly.
What is that?
I don't know. It's making sound.
She's looking at something. Which one? Which one you pointing at? B?
B. That's the B sound.
I don't know.
Maybe that's B sound
That's the B
she's
sound?
doing. B.
That's butterfly. It's flower.
Hi, Sophia. One snap again. Not again. You sleepy again?
I think this.
Pumpkin.
Not again.
You just want to snuggle with Dad. Maybe she went out.
Dion is outside.
Izzy, did you make him put a hat on?
Oh my gosh, it hurts to my ears. Ah, a lot of butterflies on your head. Oh, that's water. Wow, a lot of butterflies on her head. Bata. Oh my gosh, it hurts to my
There's a
ears.
baby butterfly. Four, five.
Sophia. What is that? What's that? Yum, 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 yum. Eating pizza. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.